Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Coca-Cola is made, step by step.
Inside a modern Coca-Cola factory, carefully selected raw materials arrive under strict quality control. Refined sugar and purified water flow precisely, measured by advanced digital systems. Ingredients begin blending as powerful mixers rotate, monitored by glowing control panels. In sterile conditions, massive tanks produce Coca-Cola's iconic flavor syrup. Rich caramel-colored syrup moves through pipes, constantly checked for consistency and temperature. Technicians fine-tune the process, ensuring every parameter is perfectly balanced. Syrup meets purified water as carbon dioxide is infused under controlled pressure. Millions of bubbles form, creating the signature Coca-Cola fizz. The finished beverage flows smoothly into the canning line. The automated canning line fills thousands of cans with speed and precision. Each can is filled, sealed, and cooled, allowing fresh condensation to form. Iconic Coca-Cola labels are applied flawlessly at high speed. Advanced scanners inspect every bottle for accuracy and quality. Final manual checks confirm clarity, alignment, and perfect sealing. Packaged and ready, Coca-Cola products are shipped to refresh the world.